Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is the fifth chapter of my PHP basic series. So today I'm going to talk about operators. Okay, let's start it. So in PHP there are a number of operators that we can use. It has a plus, minus, times, divide. These are common one. Concatenate, and some of the operators are specifically for PHP and also some other language like C, C++. PHP borrow a lot of language syntax from C or C++. Okay, let's see how we can do it. Okay, let's say I want to echo the age, the age of me into this string. Okay, into this string. Okay, so I will assign my age first. I'm 53. Okay, this year. So you can actually add a year. Okay, something like this. Okay, age equals or assign age plus 1. So you will take 53 plus 1 equals to 54. So you can echo it here. You are. So what should it display? It will display 54. Alright, sorry, over here. Okay, 54. Okay, so you can also minus. Okay, minus. Okay, what should it display? It will display 52. Okay, you are 52. Okay, alright. So what if I want to shorten this? I want to shorten this into much better syntax. Okay, so PHP allows plus like this. Is that? Okay, so it really accepts this kind of syntax. Plus equals 1, meaning that is equivalent to age equal age plus 1. It's the same statement actually, but it should become shorter, right? Become shorter and easier to read. Okay, of course you can also do something like age minus equal 1. Right? Same thing, this is equivalent to age minus 1. Okay, it's the same. All right, so now what should it display? So this will cancel each other. We will display 53. Yeah. All right. So what else? Okay, now you have minus, plus. Okay, plus 1, plus 2. You know, times. Okay, you can give h maybe times. Sorry. Yeah, you can do something like this actually, times 2. So it will be 100 over. Okay, 106 already. Wow, so old. Or you can divide. I don't know whether this works or not. It works. Okay, so divide equals, this is equivalent to age equal age divided by 2. Okay, this is like something like age divided by 2. It's the same statement. All right, another one is actually comes with concatenate. So if you want to, let's say, name, I want my full name. Okay, name concatenate. Okay, this is my full name. Right, so this become my full name already. So whenever you refresh it, you will display my full name. So this is a concatenate. So you add 2 strings together. Okay, or you don't want, you can write something like this. Okay, it's the same statement. All right, it will result in same output. 2 times already because I concatenate 2 times. Okay, 1 time and another time. So delete this one and refresh it, so it will have a correct one. All right. So what else that we need to go through with operators? Okay. Concatenate subtracts. Okay. Another operator, logical operator. So we need to have and, or. These two are most common one. So the operators that I cover over here is the most common one. PHP have some other operators like mod, div. I won't go through with you. You can go to the website php.net. You can have a look there. It's very seldom used for me. I don't know for someone else. I don't know, but for me, very seldom used. Okay, so I will not cover it over here. So you can look at php.net if you want to learn more. All right. Okay. Now, how about the logical operators and or? So if name equals, okay, this is comparison. Okay, two equals put together is a comparison. 1 equal is an assignment. This is an assignment. Okay, so 2 put together is a comparison. So this is a basic construct of a if statement. Okay, so if you want to have operators, something like this. So for PHP and also the C language, so anything that comes with a boolean resulted in boolean data types. Boolean means true and false, right? You have to put inside a parenthesis. Okay, this is a parenthesis, open and close parenthesis. This is another one, another set, and the whole thing you need to cover it with a parenthesis again. Okay, so this is the syntax of a PHP lah. Okay, and let's say age equals 53. Then do what? Right? Echo maybe true. Okay. Otherwise, echo false. Oh, sorry. Okay. Is that clear? So we try to refresh and see how that looks like. See, we'll print a false here. So the statement will come here and evaluate. Is this the name equals to UI? So in this case, it's false. So the operators is and. Okay, and so both has to be true to become a true to return this true. Otherwise, it will return false. So the name is equal UI. Here is UI, but you have concatenated it with sutak over here. So it's no more UI. Alright, so it's UI sutak actually. So if you put sutak, oh sorry, over here, then it should return true. See, it return true. Alright, okay. So this is a basic of the construct. So another type of logical operators is OR, right? And OR. Just now is AND. Okay, and this is OR. Okay, this is OR. So either one of the condition, either name is Unsutak or age is 53, then it will print true. Otherwise, it will print false. So if you want, let's just make some false statement first. So both has to be false to become true, right? So no, sorry, both become false, then it will print false, right? If both are true or one of them are true, then it will print true. Okay, so it's false. Okay, because both are false. This is false and this is also false. Alright, so you will print false. Otherwise, you see, okay, now this is true, right? Name is Unsutak, true. but this is false, right? But it will still print true. Okay, see, it will print true. Okay, all right. So what else that I can cover over here? Okay, actually it has something else that we can go through over here, but I think is kind of not used a lot. So it will have a double N, something like double N, you know, double or something like, you know, a lot of other operators. So another type of operators, logical operators, is not equals to. Okay, a not. Okay, so name not equal to Wisutak and age is equal to 52. Then print true. So does it true or false? Print true or false. Then you see name not equal to Wisutak is equal, right? So this is false. So this is true. So it will print false because this is an AND operators. Okay, this is an AND. Okay, so it's a false. All right. So if it's not, or maybe we change it to all. Okay, if we change it to all, it will become a true or false still. Sorry, I didn't look at it properly. So this is false and this is false also. Yes, so both are false. So if I change to 53, this is true, this is false. So it will become true. It will print true. Alright, so it will print true. Okay, so this is how the operators works. You have to be doing some practice, you know. At the end of the course, when I complete everything, I will go through with you with some other parts of it, like HTML, jQuery, you know, JavaScript a little bit, so that I can build a complete project. So I will build a CRUD, right? Because this PHP comes with a database access. If you don't use it, then it's like very limited function. Okay, so I will go through with you a database, how we can use PHP to access the database, and I will build a project CRUD, right? Create, update, retrieve, and delete of a database record. So how we can complete the table and a list, and then how to put a button at the end of each row, and whenever you click it, what are the functions that we can use. So that is a pretty long project. Okay, so with that, I will end the chapter over here. Okay, if you like my video, smash the like button, share my video, subscribe to my channel, turn on all notifications. Alright, thank you and hope to see you again. Thank you, bye bye.